Hi everyone, today I will give you some more exercise on applying laws of rational index. So please turn to a new page of your notebook. Write down the date of today and the learning target. More exercise on applying laws of rational index. And the box below is the homework for today. So in this video, I will give you the solution of question 39 and 42. So before I start, I want you to take a look at these two examples. My question is, can they be the final answer? Okay, the answer is no, because as you can see, the power are still negative. So then, how can we make it to be positive? Okay, so for the first one, we will change it into a fraction so that it will become 1 over a to the power 2 over 5. Okay, and for the right hand side, so again we just swap between the numerator and the denominator so that we have a to the power 2. Okay, so now as you can see, the power referred to a are now positive number, so then we can make it to be, that is the answer. So always remember that our final answer must be in positive index. So let's take a look at question 49. So our first step is change all the root into rational index so that we have then we will change the division sign into the multiplication sign, and therefore we have 1 over p to the power 2 over 3 times q to the power 2 over 3. And then we can apply the law of index rule number 1 and rule number 2. For p, okay, as you can see, p to the power 3 is at the top and p to the power 2 over 3 is at the bottom. So we are applying the rule number 2, and therefore we have p to the power 3 minus 2 over 3. Okay, and at the bottom, as you can see, there are q to the power 1 over 4 and q to the power 2 over 3. Then we are going to apply the rule number 1 so that the power can be added up. 1 over 4 plus 2 over 3. And finally, we have p to the power 7 over 3 over q to the power 11 over 12. And check, all the index, all the power are positive, so that means it is the final answer. Okay, then let's take a look at question 42. So again, this time we are going to change all the root into rational index first. Then we will multiply all the index outside the bracket back into the bracket so that we have m to the power 3 over 2 over 8 to the power 1 over 3 times n to the power 1 over 3 times m to the power negative 1 over 6 and n to the power negative 1 over 2. Okay, and finally we are going to apply the rule number 1 and rule number 2 again. Okay, so as you can see, for m we are going to apply the rule number 1 so that we have m to the power 3 over 2 plus negative 1 over 6. As for n, as you can see, so for n to the power 1 over negative 1 over 2, it is at the top, and for n to the power 1 over 3, it is at the bottom. So that means we are using the top minus the bottom. Then we have n times negative 1 over 2 minus 1 over 3. As for the 8 to the power 1 over 3, we can directly input into the calculator so that we have 2. Okay, so finally, the answer will be m to the power 4 over 3 n to the power negative 7 over 12 over 2. So as you can see, now the power of n, the index for n is negative number, so that we have to use the rule number 6 again, so that we will move it at the bottom. Okay, and for m, just keep it in the numerator. And this is the final answer. Okay, so for the remaining time, please help me to finish the remaining questions.